Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A75, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode, which will also allow you to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you just don't know. So, to get started, I'm going to lock the device and proceed from the lock screen as though I don't know my pattern. So number one, hold power button. Ignore any kind of pop-ups apart from these ones. From here, select power off and give it a moment. Even though the screen is completely black, making it look like the device turned off, it's not. So you want to make sure that the phone turns off fully. So give it solid like 5 to 10 seconds and then start holding power button and volume up at the same time, like so. And let go of the power button when you have the ZTE logo show up on the screen. Now, the reason you want to give it a solid couple seconds to turn off is because when the device is still turning off and you start holding these two buttons, it's going to boot up and it's just going to enter normally back into Android instead of the recovery mode like we wanted it to. Anyway, once you have recovery mode open, you want to navigate here using volume buttons. So I'm going to start pressing volume down to navigate down. And you want to select wipe data, factory reset, confirm it using your power button, then select factory data reset the same way. We'll show you that it's formatting data and then that data wipe is complete. At which point, reboot system now will be selected by default, as you can see on my end. So all you need to do is press power button to initiate that reboot. This will continue resetting the device in the background, and this will take about 2 minutes to finish up. Once it's completed, we will present it with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished. You can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.